Step 1. Using a pencil, mark where you will be placing your brackets. The middle or supporting brackets should be evenly spread. Use the holes in the brackets as a guide for where to draw your markers. Step 2. Drill pilot holes where you have marked the brackets. The pilot holes are used as a guide for where the screws will be fixed. Step 3. Using the pilot holes as a guide, screw your brackets into the window frame. Step 4. With the brackets successfully secured, clip the blinds into the respective brackets. Test the chain operation is working correctly, and remember to use the front chain only when using the blinds. Step 5. Carefully secure the child safety hook or P-clip supplied. For an easy guide, be sure to drill pilot holes first. And there you have it. You have successfully installed your brand new Roman blinds. After installing, it is recommended to leave your blinds down for 1 to 2 days to allow the blind fabric to completely relax and settle to its ordered size.